Hi, I'm Janelle Marie. I'm here with Michael Lau, president of USA Bath, and we're talking about remodeling your bath. And you always talk about the in-home consultations. So people watching want to know, is there any cost for this in-home consultation, Michael?
Absolutely not.
Oh, that's wonderful.
There's no obligation to buy anything.
Good.
There's no cost to have us come out.
That's great.
But
Uh-oh.
we do ask for 3 commitments.
Okay, what are those? I know.
There are 3 things that we ask, and we get some surprising pushback on these, so I wanted to take the opportunity to let people know the logic behind them and why maybe it makes sense.
That's good.
So the first thing we ask is, very simply, do you own the home?
Good
Seems
question.
very simple. But we regularly get people that say, actually, no, it's not my home.
Oh.
It's my father-in-law's, or it's my friend's, or I may buy this house in a year or so. We can't actually sign a contract to do a project in a home that the homeowner isn't signing the contract on. So it's a little bit of a waste of time if we're not going out near the homeowner. So that one's pretty straightforward, and most people understand that. And by the way, if it's your father's house and he lives in Florida somewhere, we can use technology to link him in.
Skype
right?
dad
You don't need to fly out. We can take care of that.
Okay.
But the homeowner has to be participating in the consultation.
Okay.
Secondly, we ask that you set aside at least 90 minutes. Right?
90 minutes. Okay.
90 minutes. And some people, again, we do get pushback, say, oh, no. There's no way I'm giving you 90 minutes. I'm busy. I am busy. So all I want you to do is come in, take a look, and give me your bid, because I'm getting 3 bids like everyone said. And that's fine. We don't give bids. We give prices.
So why do you need the 90 minutes?
The 90 minutes, if you remember, the right way to do any remodeling project is to start by understanding the issues. You have to take a look, you have to have a discussion, you have to understand what is it you're actually trying to achieve.
Right.
And then you can go through and design solutions to that. You know, if a company comes in and says, hey, I'll just take a quick look, here's my bid, run away. Just run away. There is absolutely no way that's going to work. They're going to come back later. You know what's going to happen. They're going to say it's going to cost you more. You're going to say why, and they're going to say, because there's all these things I didn't understand. Of course they didn't understand, because they didn't take the time to do it right.
Good point.
We do it right. So it's a big decision. Remodeling your house is a 20 to 30 year decision. For 30 years, invest the 90 minutes.
Absolutely.
Please.
Yes.
That's why we ask.
Okay, well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
All right, so own the home, 90 minutes,
The third reason is the fun one, my favorite. We ask that all decision makers be present at the consultation. Now, 10 years ago, when we said this, we used to have typically women saying, oh, so you think I can't make a decision without my husband? Now we get men saying, oh, so you think I can't make a decision without my wife? And the answer is, yeah. But it's not for the reason they think. It's not about men or women not being able to make financial decisions. It's what I said, it's a big decision. Right? This is a 20 or 30 year decision regarding your home. There is no way that I would make that decision without my wife. She would kill me. She would absolutely kill me.
She would.
And so if we go down that path, people are going to make choices. The other person's not going to be happy. There's going to be a big argument. We're going to waste a lot of time, which is a theme for us. We want to have everyone there. The appointment, there is a ton of education that happens during these appointments. Right? If you have kids, don't go deeper than a 13-inch bathtub. If you want to shave your legs, don't put a bench on the far wall. All these things that we know because we've done 5,000 of these. We don't expect you to be the expert in remodeling. That's our job. So we transfer this knowledge to you. If the other person isn't there, they're going to ask you about it. You're going to remember some of it, but not all of it. You're going to tell them pieces. They're going to have questions. You're not going to be able to answer it. They're going to get confused. Our job of demystifying bath remodeling is going to fail, and we're going to start all over. That's the definition of wasting time. So that's what we don't want to do, and that's why we ask. It's not about who can make decisions. It's about having everyone in the room that's going to participate so that you all get the benefit of the knowledge.
Good idea.
And there's one last comment on that, and I want to be clear with our customers about this. Time is the most valuable resource any of us have, by far, right? And our commitment is not to waste any of our customers' time. We have great people that work for us, and our design consultants are on the road every day seeing customers just like you. And with traffic today, it can take easily an hour or more to drive to appointments and back. They'll typically go visit 2 customers a day. So an appointment for them, even though it's 90 minutes for a customer, an appointment for them is about a half-a-day commitment. Wasting time for them is just as bad as wasting it for our customers. So we promise not to waste our customers' time, and in return, I humbly ask that you do the same with us. That's why we ask for the 3 commitments.
Straightforward. Thank you so much. That is great information. If you want more information on remodeling or anything, just click on any of the other videos or give USA Bath a call. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.